So after playing around with this calculator, I think it's important for 8th graders to know how to use it going into high school, because in 9th grade, it's hard for teachers to take that time out of what they're supposed to actually be teaching just to show them how to use a calculator. So since I teach 8th grade math, we don't actually get to use the calculators. They just use a basic function calculator, but they can't do anything that graphs for them. So I did this last year. We have a class set that we keep. It was with grant money that they had gotten before I came, and I actually taught them like basic uses of a calculator and like how to type in functions or equations and show them how it can actually be graphed. So on here, I like this because they're getting to use the technology as well as the graphing that goes along with it. So I played around and figured out how you can actually do that. So if you're wanting to graph an equation, you're going to click Add Graphs. And up here at the top, you're just going to type in your equation. So for example, I'm going to do 2x plus 5. That's a basic linear equation that 8th graders learn. And so right there, it's like showing them where it's graphed and what it looks like. And you can actually add another graph on here. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. There you go. So double click. And so this could be like for your solving systems and seeing where the lines cross each other to show your solution. So I'm going to say negative 2x plus 1. And then you can show them this is what it would look like. And right here, it actually shows you where they cross and it graphs it for you. So there's your solution. So again, I think it's important that they know how to do basic things like this in a calculator before they get into high school. That way their teacher isn't taking time away from the actual material that has to be taught just to show them how to use a calculator. But with 8th grade, this is about as far as you would go with it. And I know in actual algebra, it goes a lot deeper. And from that point, that's when I find it necessary for their teacher to show them how to use the calculator for those types of problems.